Okay, in this video I'm going to show on some properties of inverse Laplace transform. So the first one is on the first shift of inverse Laplace transform. So if you recall back for Laplace transform, the properties, we have first shift property of Laplace transform where we transform, okay, the terms we have exponent multiplied by ft, right, to fs minus a. But now if we have fs minus a, we can transform or we can perform the inverse Laplace to get the exponent ft. Okay, so how do we do that? So for example a, find the inverse Laplace transform of the following functions. So obviously we will use the first shift of inverse. For a, we have 2 over s minus a. So when we have s power 1 minus by something, normally we can apply the first shift inverse. So for a, so you want to find the Laplace inverse of 2 over s minus 3, right? So we will get, when we take out the 3, so here we know that a is equals to 3, right? So we obtain exponent 3t. So when we obtain the exponent 3, we will just left with 2 over s. Okay, because we replace the s minus 3 with s, so we obtain exponent 3t here. So 2 over s from the table we just get 2. So that's how you obtain the inverse. For b, okay, for exponent always s minus 4, right? So to make it only s with coefficient 1 here, we need to take out the 4, right? So it's actually Laplace inverse of 1 over 4, 1 over s minus 3 over 4. So meanings a is now equals to 3 over 4. So what we obtain, okay, 1 over 4 we can take out outside the Laplace inverse. Okay, exponent 3 over 4t, and then Laplace inverse of 1 over s. Okay, because we already take out the a here. So 1 over s will just be 1. So the final answer is 1 over 4 exponent 3 over 4t. Okay, how about c? Okay, for c, okay, now we have s plus 2, but we have power 4. It's okay, we follow the same step to find the Laplace inverse. So we 2 here. Okay, and then you move. Okay, it is a is equals to negative 2 because it's plus here. So it will be exponent negative 2t Laplace inverse of, we left with 10 over s power 4. So we see s power 4 here, so it must be t power n, right? So n is equals to 3. So if n equals to 3, so it should be 6 here. So how to make it 6 from 10 here? Exponent negative 2t Laplace inverse, we want would be 6 over 4, okay, because it's as n equals 3, it need to be 3 factorial, which is 6. So how to make it 6 here from 10 without changing the value of the question? So we'll multiply by 6 over 6, right, to make it 6 here. So 6 here you put inside here, then we move out, so it will be 10 over 6 here. So when we simplify, 10 over 6 is actually 5 over 3, right? 5 over 3. Okay. Exponent negative 2t. So this one is t power 3. That's it. Okay. Next, for t. Okay, we want to find Laplace inverse for 5s minus 2 squared. Okay, here it's a little bit tricky because we have s minus 2 here, but only s here. So this one cannot happen. Okay, it cannot happen like this. When it s minus 2, we need to put s minus 2 here. Okay, but we cannot simply put it as that one. So we need to put minus 2 plus 2. Okay, so it will be Laplace inverse 5s minus 2 plus 2. Okay, so that we don't change the value of the constant. Question, sorry. So actually we can bring the 5 outside of the inverse Laplace. Okay, so now you just want s minus 2, right? So it will be 5 Laplace inverse, like this, s minus 2 plus 2 divided by s minus 2 squared. So now a is equals to 2. So it will be 5 exponent 2t Laplace inverse s plus 2. So we replace s minus 2 with s. Okay. So what do we do next? Okay, we will simplify this one. Okay, this one can be separate, right? So it just be plus inverse s over s squared plus Laplace inverse 2 over s. Okay, so the answer in the end will be 5 exponent 2t. Okay, s over s squared is 1 over s, so just be 1 plus 2 over s is 2. Oh, yeah, 2 over s is 2. So it's actually 3. Okay, 15 exponent 2t actually. Okay, that's it. Okay, no, sorry. This one is s power 2, right? Oh my god. So 2s power 3. That's why it's so weird here. So s power 2 meaning this is t, right? T. So it's 1 plus 2t. Now 1 over s squared is t. So 2 times 1 over s squared is 2t. So this is the answer actually. Okay, you can always do the Laplace back if you're confused. Okay, make sure you get the same answer. So next for E. Let's see what's this. Okay, for E, we want to form Laplace inverse negative 5 over s plus 3 squared plus 9. Okay, for E. So we have A equals to negative 3. So it will be exponent negative 3t Laplace inverse of negative 5 divided by s squared plus 9. So I see this is sign, right? Because we have s squared and I don't have s here, so it's sine. So since it's 9 here, so a must be equals to 3, right? Square root of 9 is 3, so it must be 3 here instead of 5. So how to make it 3? Multiply by 3 over 3. So the 3 here will bring out, move it inside, negative 5 bring it out. So it will be negative 5 over 3 exponent negative 3t Laplace inverse of 3 over s squared plus 9. So now it becomes sine 3t. Yeah, very simple. Okay. How about f? So for f, I think we need to factor out or factorize this one. So s squared, can you factorize? S squared plus 6s plus 10. I don't think we can factor this. So actually you need to do completing the square. But there's another method. Okay, you see it's s plus 3 here. So you imagine that we want to have s plus 3 squared plus something here. So from s squared plus 6s to get s plus 3 squared, you just need plus 9, right? So we rewrite again. You want it as Laplace inverse s plus 3 divided by s squared plus 6s plus 9 plus 1. So it's still we got 10. 9 plus 1 is 10. Okay, so yeah, we change because we want to have s plus 3 squared. So it will be s plus 3 divided by s plus 3 squared plus 1. Yeah. Okay, so next is we take out the t, okay, the exponent, because a equals to negative 3, okay. So it will be exponent negative 3t, and we just left with s divided by s squared plus 1. So this is just cos t. Okay, sometimes you need to modify this one. So that's it for the inverse, first shift of inverse Laplace. So I want you to try to do this exercise, okay, and submit it as exercise 3.8.